Welcome to TechTitans.cloud, a unique creative technology hub built to guide you through your tech career journey and professional growth in the ever-evolving world of technology. Whether you're just starting or leveling up, you're in the right place. Now let's take a quick, exciting tour of what this platform has to offer. TechTitans makes discovering your talent simple, fun, and real. One subscription opens up multiple creative technology paths and endless opportunities. Built for curious minds of any age, whether you're 13 or 35, just starting or changing careers. TechTitans meets you where you are and helps you grow. What we offer is more than just another course. This is a hub where you'll find genuine career guidance in a continually expanding library of educational resources, all designed and regularly updated by industry experts with hands-on experience. Learning is only the beginning. We're here to bridge education with real careers and help you turn goals into growth. Take the first step now and explore your passions, shaping them into a future profession through an exciting learning journey that's fun, practical, and engaging. Want to explore before committing? Watch your first lessons completely free. Or unlock even more with a free 3-day trial. Every lesson is structured and bite-sized. No fluff. You'll build skills and see progress fast. Just practice what you watch, and step by step, you'll complete your first portfolio project. Want a certificate that means something? You can earn one, but that's a separate, self-paced challenge. It's relaxed, yes, but the testing is real because our certificates open doors. They don't just decorate walls. Love games? Learn through one. Land of the Titans is our exclusive educational game where you play and naturally absorb real game design principles through story, mechanics, and decision-making. You can even play the first level for free and start building your skills from your very first move. Then you can team up, joining forces with other learners to build your first real project with mentor guidance along the way. It's not just practice, it's real creation, together. And if your team's project takes off and we monetize it, you'll earn your share of the income. Learn, build, earn. That's how you grow with us. Invite your friends, because learning is always better together. Join our Discord community to connect with others who are focused, curious, and ready to grow. At TechTitans, we don't just teach, we launch journeys from screen time to skill time, from play to portfolio, and we go one step further, building bridges between learning and real careers. With over 15 years of global recruitment experience, we know what companies actually look for. We partner directly with employers who are seeking not just senior professionals, but also junior talent with real skills and potential. Complete the courses, build your portfolio, show us what you can do, and we'll help you get seen by the companies that matter. This is your first step to being seen, to getting hired, and to launching something real. Learn what matters, build what lasts, become who you're meant to be. Your fun journey from curiosity to career starts here, and with us, you'll succeed.